Kinderfun.
Snowflakes are falling, it's Christmas Eve night. Jingle the Elf is feeling so bright. Bella the Snowman waves with a cheer. Rudy the Reindeer is ready this year. The village is cozy, the lights are aglow. Our Christmas tree sparkles with a warm, happy glow. Luna the fairy is flying with grace, spreading magic and joy all over the place. Santa's busy making gifts with glee, while we're all here as happy as can be. Jingle helps wrap with ribbons so neat. Bella and Rudy stamp each gift with a treat. Twinkling lights shine on the gifts so bright. Santa's sleigh's ready for the big flight. With magic and laughter we're all prepared. For the joy of Christmas we're ready and shared. Hot cocoa steaming, cookies are sweet. By the Christmas tree we all take a seat. Bella's hat sparkles, Rudy's nose is aglow. Luna's magic makes the fireplace glow. Stockings are hung and the tree lights up high. As we watch the snowflakes gently drift by, we sing and we laugh. It's a magical night with friends all around. Everything feels right. Santa's sleigh takes flight across the moon. With a wave and a cheer, we'll see him soon. Jingle and Bella, Rudy and me wish you a Christmas as joyful as can be. From the snow-covered village to the twinkling sky, we wish you a Christmas that's happy and high. With magic and joy and friends by your side, may your Christmas be bright and your heart open wide.